Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be doing, as I promised, I will be doing a video on how to get and get the USA number that can create WhatsApp with Talkatone. As I hear a lot of comment every time I post that Talkatone is no longer working on WhatsApp, this. So this video is that, and as of this video, I will be using a Talkatone currently I used in my previous video, which I show you proof that the WhatsApp is actually working. So I will burn the number and create another and get another number. So that which means this video is of two-in-one video. For some of you that just create the account and don't know how to get the credit, so you can be calling and receiving SMS. This video is also for you. So let's get started. Let me All right. So we all know we need to connect our VPN. All right. So after we are connected, let's confirm. All right. And let's just refresh. Let's see. Okay. I think we are good to go. Then let's open our Talkatone. Sign and then let's continue. Sorry. All right. Let me. All right. So as I just want to text now if the the VPN is actually connected and it will not detect that I'm using a VPN. So let me just go. Now you see. Alright. So let's try signing with Google now. And I'll go with this. What the fuck? They really detect it. So what I'll do is I need to let me go back first. So let's just sign up with Google. Yes, I guess, I guess, I guess. Alright, so we are in. So as you can see, I say this is the account I will be using. So now what I'll do is I'll head over to here, then setting. Yes, I've not posted here, I've not. So I will click on, as you can see, the credit that is currently in my account. So if I burn this number, this credit will be gone. So I need to buy another credit. So this video also is for those, as I said before, is for those that just created an account and don't know how to get the credit and how to go with it. So I'll click on, you can click on burn or get another number. Yes, you click on buy new number. You see it's actually none your editing data will change. So what they just mean here is that this my current number will be burned, and the distance, the current messages I've got will still be there, but the number will just change. That's just it. So I will click on burn now. All right. So here, this is the $0.99 fee they always charge for. They always charge for the credit. So I think this is the card I'm using. All right, this is the card I'm using. If you don't, I'm using currently using dollar card for this. If you have not watched my video, I made a video on how to get USE dollar card from Gray. So go and watch the video if you have not. So I click on buy. Think I need to enter my email. Let me. All right, so let's continue. All right, so let's continue. So, I'm making. Okay, let's just say no thanks. And okay, the payment is already successful. I can just say not now. Then let's wait. All right, it's loading. Then, well, here we are. So, so let's wait for the numbers to happen. All right, so as you can, I'm coming, sorry. All right, so I think I'm having network issue, but all right, so let's wait for the number to show up. All right, so the tactics is simple here. What you will just do is for you to get the working the Talkatone number that is working for WhatsApp. What you just do is simple. Here right now, this is the number we are giving, but we all know you can change the number. So let me write the number down. 3048805. All right, so I'm not going to click continue. I'm not selecting the number yet. So let me go to WhatsApp and check the number. This one, then you click on it and see. All right, you see this number is not all right. We all know. Then we go back and click on a different number. I think it will reload. Now let's go for a different number. Let's go for this and see. Or let's just make it like this. And out of this list right here, I'm starting with the top one. Let me copy the top one. Let's do like this. I hope it will show up well how I want it to show. Then no, then this. All right, so I hope the recorder record the both screen. So what I will be doing now I will be checking all the numbers given here and see the one that will work, the one that we actually need. It may take your time a little bit, but once we know we are going to achieve what we want, I think it should be nothing too 51 400 673. Click on next and let's see what we get here. Let's change the country code and keep testing. Let's say 601. I guess that country code is on. Yeah. So let's continue. That's how you just be testing and 05 2508. So we keep going. Let's see. Let's go with 601 205 37 26. Click on it and see. So now 205 32 78. Same. Then let's change another country code. Let's go to 51. Alright, 251 261 1047. Let's check this out. We keep going. 337 9438. I guess there. 2379476. 4480742. There's the name. 94183. I know this might look exhausting, but if you really want it, and once you do it for a while, you know it's kind of it won't take a lot of your time, but you just have to keep going. Once you know you really need it, and there is no other way yet. So, as you all know, if there is other way, I will post it. But this is just the way now. So we have to keep trying until we find a faster way to go with it. 527 597 2533. Alright, 766120. Let's keep going. 301 703 7793. Let's change country code to 501. Yes. 501 2560652. Let's click on 2846999. That's how we keep going. Just don't give up. 01. I won't give up in these videos till I find the one that will actually work. How doing this will even work because the number of, let's just keep going. 450 804 0401. What the fuck? It actually works. So you can see now, since this number will work, so you can see here it's a correct number. So we click on it and continue. Okay. And maybe later. This is how you do it. Now you have gotten the number. So you click on yes. Oh, what the fuck? I just, alright, so let me do it on my, as you all know, this is a work profile distance. So alright, I'm sorry that happened. So what I need to do here is, I guess I need to sign up in another separate device, which I will be doing right now. Setting, let me copy the number. 450 804 0401. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. This is it. So I will show you guys the screen record from the PC once I'm done. And also, if you're here to create your account, just check the video I pinned below and watch it. The video was created yesterday. You can check out the video and get your account ready. As you can see the video, this is how it works. This is how it really works. I don't know why all my virtual WhatsApp I have been detected. So this is how it just works for you to get your WhatsApp number. It's easy and simple, as you can see. This is just how we do it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Yeah, that's it.